Cloudy skies and low clouds hanging over the City by the Bay, where it's 58 degrees right now and more rainfall on the way. Sounds more like Seattle's forecast than San Francisco's forecast, but no, that's the case here for the Bay Area. And as I mentioned earlier, more rain as we head through midweek. Thanks for joining us here on the AccuWeather Network. I'm meteorologist Cam Tran.
And I'm meteorologist Paul Williams. Cam, we have this storm system. It's kind of like the gift that keeps on giving in the West Coast.
Yeah, it's like a faucet that isn't quite turning off, but it will very soon. As we take a look at the radar here, we are seeing an onshore flow that's continuing to bring all that moisture out to the west. Now,
it's also bringing a twofold concern. First of all, you notice the green, that's where we have the onslaught of the rain showers continuing to cause problems there. But you see that little slice of blue there? That's indicating that where we have in the upper elevations, that's where the snow shower activity is going to be. And it's a big concern because we're watching out for excessive rain as well as excessive snowfall. In fact, this is all fed by the same basic problem. Tropical moisture surges continue to push through upper elevations, much colder air. That's allowing for that rain to switch over to snow. Low pressure system is going to move to the north, but we're looking for the flood threat in the lower elevations, as well as isolated thunderstorms, strong winds for the coast and mountain region, and then 3 to 5 feet of snow in higher elevations. But that's not the only place we're concerned in the nation about snow. We also have concerns over towards the Great Lakes and the Northeast.
That's right. A separate system from what Paul is talking about is bringing in some snowfall across the interior parts of the Northeast and the UP of Michigan tonight. Here's a look at the radar here. What's happening is an area low pressure is moving off to the north and east, and with it we're starting to see a southwesterly flow that's bringing warm air across the region. So that's why we're seeing predominantly rainfall out this evening across Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, in the UP of Michigan. There's enough cold air in place that it's predominantly snow there. As we continue off into the north and east here, we'll also see some scattered showers here across the Ohio Valley, also in Indianapolis as well. It's right here in the interior parts of the Northeast that we're going to see some problems here, especially for icy spots. Where you see the pinks right here, I'm going to stop the latest radar imagery so I can show you a little bit closer here. That's where we're seeing some freezing rain. So icy conditions, especially along the Pennsylvania Turnpike there, especially along I-80 there in central PA. So watch out if you're traveling in the interior spots. Further off to the north in New England, it is mostly snowfall. So that's where the air is cold enough. And right along the west of that, the Alleghenies, it is mostly rain.